Here is the radio. The steering controls is working. You can change the stations as well. Pick up the phone and drop the phone is working over here as well. So you have navigation, but you need to connect your phone. You can connect your phone over here via Bluetooth. That's our phone for test. So what else? You can listen music from the Bluetooth, is over here. You can use navigation like Google Maps, but you need to share the internet from your phone by the hotspot. You have the radio. You can install anything you like the YouTube, for example, but you need to log into your Gmail account. Oh, you have some Google Maps over here as well. And probably, what else? The back camera. The back camera, you go for reverse and you see the back camera. It's just looking like this. We're just still working on it. So probably that's pretty all. Nothing else. If you're going to have any question, you can ask me.